solar crystalline, and you're not going to know what the heck battery's in there.
Right.
Probably no customer service. Gonna develop a haze over time. Just bad on top of bad. And so I get it. You've been frustrated with solar because I've been there.
Yeah.
The top two reasons problems with solar is that they break or that they go dim.
Yeah.
This doesn't break and it doesn't go dim. If we're able to tell you this lasts over 8 hours every night after night and retain over 90% of its brightness, boom, that's the proof in the paper right there. Remember, thick construction, nice glass, the big panel right there. And when we bring the lights down, I'll show you how pretty and beautiful that starburst pattern is when we bring them down. Again, you're not paying any money after you get these home. It's just harnessing the free power of the sun.
Look at that.
So while we're here at this beautiful shot, and I'll let you keep talking, Emily, I'm just going to switch the colors while you keep talking.
I have a really quick question for you before you do that.
Yes.
So this is the most powerful from Everready solar lights that we have offered from this brand on the TS line or in general, right?
Yeah.
When we talk about how far this reaches, I was a little astounded when I saw it on paper. Can you confirm this? 20 feet?
Yes.
That's incredible.
That is huge. So what Emily is referring to is called light throw. And all that means is a fancy word for, well, how far does the light go? And the answer is 10 feet per light in all directions.
Awesome.
So we say a total of 20 as I finish with our color on demand, getting you to the bright green. The reason we say 20 is because when you put two near each other, one is giving you 10, the other is giving you 10. So that's how you can literally space these apart as far as 20 feet apart, and that's how much light throw. Now, if you don't have a big place, or you have an apartment, or you have a smaller area, you can divide and conquer, no problem. Put two on the windowsill, put two in your little tiny garden, put the other two highlighting your mailbox. If you've got a water feature, something like that, you can totally highlight whatever it is that you want to do. And I love this picture that we're about to show you. Have you seen this before and after?
Is this your house?
This is actually my house.
Oh
now,
my gosh, look at this.
The funny thing of before and after is usually we only do them for beauty, right? But this is for our solar lights. I love it. Obviously the before is to the left. You can see how dark it is.
Yeah.
To the right is my after.
I mean, your house in the dark looks a little haunted.
It's a little, no one's going to come trick-or-treating there, right? No candy.
But this other house looks like a show house.
It's the same house.
It's the same house.
Literally, the only difference is the lighting. And look at this one here. Did you see this one? I took one of my 8 and I put it in a planter. Why did I do that? To elevate it even higher and give my stone wall a little pop, a little love.
I see that.
You see what I mean? So you can accent the things that you want to accent or highlight the things that you want to accent. So it's really a neat, inexpensive way to highlight whatever you need to do. Again, this is the best value I've ever seen. That's why it's our today's special. We have the studio, and I want to send a special thanks to our studio team, our set design, to Everready and to Nico, because when you take a wide shot of all these lights around me when we come back, it's astounding. And I want to talk to you about the feeling, because I know sometimes I talk so much about the features and the benefits and what's the lumens, but as you look around me, how do you feel when you see these lights? Because what I feel is a sense of calmness. And if you are someone like me who takes care of your, if you take care of your lawn and your driveway and your steps and your patio and you keep it well manicured, well, you want to highlight it. You have a sense of pride for your home. You want to show it up, not just in the daytime, but also in the nighttime. So as far as the day, the only thing you have to choose today is which of these amazing colors do you want? And then at night, they literally all look the same, but this is the most inexpensive and quickest and easiest way that I know to increase your home game with lighting and landscaping. It's going to look, I mean, this literally looks luxurious. I mean, literally.
You know what? I say yes. The reason I say yes is because if you go to any 5-star hotel, any place where, you know, you've gone on vacation, maybe you go downtown, lighting is key when it comes to making a space look expensive.
Right.
And if you've got no light in front of your house, first of all, I'd say think about your safety, because again, pathways that are not lit can be dangerous, stairs especially. So do that for yourself. But if you're the kind of person who really just wants to make an impact this year, maybe this spring and summer, you're like, I want to do something nice around my house, but I don't want to spend hundreds of thousands